Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is probably going to be one of the most important videos you want to watch if you're trying to grow out your hair. So I recently cut about 4 inches of my hair off, but my hair is growing back super fast, and I'm really happy about that because you guys know I love having long hair. So I'm going to share with you what I do to grow my hair back. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So what I'm doing here is thoroughly wetting my hair. Oh, and I wanted to thank you guys so much, everybody who enrolled in the Miriam Hampton Hair Growth Academy. I've been getting such good feedback from it. And it's not too late to enroll. You can still enroll at miriamhampton.com. But in that academy, I basically share with you everything you need to know about hair growth, like the ins and outs. It's a thorough online 5-week course that you guys should definitely check out if you're trying to grow out your hair and if you're serious about it. So I've been deep cleansing with the Extreme Growth Cleansing Treatment. So I just put a few pumps on my Ultimate Scalp Stimulating Massager brush. And this combination is everything. As you know, hair growth starts at the scalp, it's your roots. So you really have to give your scalp a deep cleanse. So this is a pre-poo treatment, and you're supposed to use this before shampoo, but sometimes I just use it as the shampoo because it works well with that as well. And it does a great job at really cleansing the scalp without leaving the hair stripped, and it keeps it moisturized. So it does a great job at getting rid of buildup as well as really stimulating the scalp. And with the massager, it just is amazing. It feels so good on the scalp and so refreshing. The ingredients are all natural: shea butter, manuka, honey, amla, black tea, horsetail, peppermint. All of these ingredients are great for hair growth. So after I thoroughly cleanse my hair, I go ahead and rinse all of that product out of my hair. And this week I'm skipping the conditioner and I'm going straight to deep conditioning. And this is our newest product. This is our Herbal Extreme Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. And this stuff is moisturizing. When I say it's extremely moisturizing, like a little goes a long way. And my hair is naturally dry, so I need a treatment like this at least once a month to really bring my hair back to life. And this does a great job at hydrating and restoring dry, damaged hair. So you guys know I also have the color in my hair that I've been cutting out slowly. And when you have color treated hair, it's essential to moisturize because that can really break off your hair with the color and the damage. So using this treatment definitely helps. So the ingredients in this product is amazing as well. A lot of natural ingredients: jojoba oil, aloe leaf juice, wheatgrass. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on each section of my hair, and I'm gonna leave this on for at least 20 minutes. So after the 20 minutes, I go ahead and detangle my hair with my Ultimate Detangling brush. You guys can see a close-up of how moisturized my hair looks. Like, this product is a game changer. So after that, I just let my hair air dry, and this is my hair at about 60% dry, and my hair looks a lot more moisturized, so I'm super happy about that. And moisture is key. So this is my hair with no product, nothing, no leave-in, nothing. So I want to let you guys know that Miriam Hampton is currently having a 30% off everything sale for Pride Month, and it ends tonight. So the sale ends tonight. You use the code PRIDE at checkout, and you can get 30% off everything. So that includes our courses, all of our products, ebooks, everything. And we also offer Shop Pay installments. So this is the perfect time to get your hands on all of our products. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, at MH Hair Growth, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!